Hello. Welcome to AI Factory. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of Canva and its powerful AI tools. Canva is a top-notch design platform that makes creating stunning visuals a breeze. From graphics to videos and presentations, Canva has it all. And with its latest updates, it's even better with AI tools that enhance your creativity. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and join our journey to creativity. Let's get started. If you're new to Canva, create an account and log in. It's quick and easy. Today, I will introduce 20 outstanding AI tools on Canva. On the left side of the homepage, click on Apps. The first AI tool I want to introduce is Font Frame. It allows you to add an image background to your text. You can write your own text here. For example, I added Hello World again. Upload your image and then adjust its position. There is an image scale feature that allows you to scale your image. In the settings, you can choose to change the font. Once you are satisfied, click Add to Design. The second AI tool is Image Upscaler. This app increases the resolution of images. No matter how blurry your image is, this tool can help improve its clarity. Let's try it. Click on Use in New Design. Once you reach this page, upload your image and set the upscale amount value. Click on Upscale Image, then add it to the design. Here is a comparison of the two. The left one is the original image, and the right one is the enlarged version. We can see the difference between the two. It is a really useful free tool, especially for photographers. The third AI tool is Image Animate, which allows you to convert any 2D image into a video. I upload an image. Under the image, there are some settings: motion range, motion length, number of loops, and motion tool. I select circular for the camera path, then click on Generate. You need to take time to play around with it. After a few seconds, the video is finished. Let's see the result. It's pretty good, except the motion speed needs to be slower. The fourth tool is Mockups. This tool allows you to easily add your designs to realistic product models. On the new design page, you will see a wide variety of mockups to choose from, including smartphones, packaging, and clothing. I chose a t-shirt, selected a previously uploaded image, and dragged and dropped it into the mockup. Isn't it easy to create your own brand product so that you can generate it in batches? The fifth AI tool is Lalamu Studio. This tool allows you to synchronize the lip movements of characters in any video or image with any audio. Suitable for both cartoon anime and live-action characters, you can click on Create New Design, where you will find some templates to use. However, I wanted to upload my own video. Here, you can enter text or upload audio. I chose to upload audio. Then, click on Generate Lip Sync Video. The process takes a little bit of time. Let's see the result.
Welcome to AI Factory, where AI meets creativity and learning. Here, we dive into the world of AI to explore how these tools can streamline your creative process. Join us in this journey and transform the way you create.
How about it? The effect is not bad. The sixth AI tool is Neon Artist. It can generate neon-style art, and click on Use in New Design. Enter your description or simply choose an example. I tried a neon palm tree with a sunset background. Then, click the Generate button. In a few seconds, you will get a very cool-looking image. You get 4 credits every day to generate 4 images. If the credits are used up, you will automatically get 4 new credits the next day. The seventh one I'm going to introduce is Speed Painter. With Speed Painter, you can upload an image, and it will create a video of a quick drawing of that image. Click on Use in New Design. Upload an image, keep the default settings for sketch duration, fill with color, and add the sketching hand effect. Click the Generate button, and it will take some time to process. Let's see the result. The image has been transformed into a video of the drawing, which is a dynamic way to show the drawing process. If you are an educator, it's a good tool for creating educational videos. The eighth app I want to introduce is Coloring Book. This app can convert text descriptions into coloring book-style images. Simply paste your text prompt in the prompt box and wait a few seconds. You'll see a nice black and white outline image appear. Let's try an example, then click the Generate button. And the generated image is great. Now you can create your own coloring book with Canva in minutes. The ninth tool is Easy Reflections, which creates realistic reflections in Canva. First, click on Use in New Design and upload the image. I use the image I just uploaded. Then, return to the Easy Reflections app and click the Generate button. This app offers various settings to adjust the direction, offset, and opacity of the reflection. I usually keep the default settings, click Add to Design, and the reflection is automatically added. Overall, Easy Reflections is a practical tool that helps you quickly create realistic reflection effects in Canva, enhancing the quality of your design. The 10th tool is Frame Maker. This app allows you to customize and generate the frame shape you want. Start by selecting Use in New Design. Initially, you might see a triangle, but at the bottom, you can browse through various shapes. I choose a diamond, then edit it by deleting points or selecting a different shape. You can also move points to create a unique shape. I stick with the diamond, add it to the design, select a photo, and drag and drop it into the frame. The photo will be perfectly embedded in the frame immediately. Click on Edit Image to perform some image editing and adjustments. It's very simple. The 11th tool is Cartoonify. It can transform your real photos into funny cartoon images. Click on Use in New Design and upload the image. Compare the original and cartoonified versions, and you'll see that the effect is pretty good. The 12th app is My Stylist. Can transform your photos into any style you want. First, upload a photo and then describe the desired style in detail in the description box. I used an example comic book illustration. Click the Generate button, and the person in the photo will be transformed into a comic book illustration. It's really impressive. This app provides 15 credits daily, allowing you to generate up to 15 pictures each day. The 13th app is Logo Maker, which enables you to transform text prompts into professional logos. Simply enter your logo prompt and press the Create button, and a unique logo will be generated. I like it because it's simple and distinctive. The next app is Cartoonist, which generates unique and visually appealing cartoon images based on your text descriptions. For example, I entered a few descriptive words and asked it to create a cute boy character, and it produced the cartoon character I envisioned. You can use this tool to create 3D character images for a story. Typecraft is the 15th tool. It allows you to modify text to create unique advertising effects. Upload an image or product, return to Typecraft, and enter your text in the input box. Select the appropriate font, style, and color. Then use the Edit Shape function to bend the text into any shape you desire. Add the adjusted text to your design, and then scale and rotate it to fit the location and space. You may need to make multiple adjustments, so think about where to place the text for the best effect. This tool is a favorite among graphic designers. Coloriz is the 16th tool, designed to turn black and white images into color. This is particularly useful for bringing life to old photos, especially those in black and white or sepia tones. To try it out, upload a black and white or grayscale image. You'll be amazed at the results. On the left is my original image. Face Swap is the next tool, allowing you to replace the face in one photo with the face from another. It's very easy to use. First, upload the photo you want to swap faces with. Then, upload the face photo you want to replace it with. Click Face Swaps button. The face in the original photo will be replaced. The left side shows the original photo, and the right side displays the face-swapped photo. It looks pretty good. The 18th app is Profile Photo. This app converts a regular image into a professional profile picture, perfect for job hunting. Simply select your gender, female by default, and upload an image. Click the Generate button to create your new profile picture. It looks impressive. The original image is displayed on the left for comparison. AI Music is the 19th tool. It is an AI music generator on Canva. Click on Use in New Design and Video. On the new page, you can choose from various styles and moods. I select Urban. To refine music parameters and set the duration, I keep the default settings and then hit Compose. After a few seconds, a piece of music is ready for you. Let's listen to it. It sounds great. The 20th app is Emoji Artist. With this app, you can create your own custom emojis. Simply describe your emoji or try the provided example. Let's give it a try with cat with a red hat and click the Generate button to get a custom emoji. Isn't that cool? If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell. See you next time.